Now let's look at how do we develop a set of job qualifications. Set of job qualifications need personality traits and also needs qualifications. So there are two things in developing the qualifications. One is the personal skills that we need, upselling skills, persuasive skills, attention to details. Those are personality traits. Smiling face, you may need pleasant grooming. Those are the personality traits, while the qualifications need, like, okay, you may need to have a marketing degree, you may need to be have a diploma in upselling, you may need to have a hotel management graduate. So what are the qualifications that we need from the person? So let's look at it in more details. The personality traits are usually the intelligence, how intelligent they are, decisiveness, are they able to make the decisions for themselves or they are able to make decisions on behalf of companies. The salespeople are usually on the negotiation all the time, so they need negotiation, they need decisiveness, they need energy and enthusiasm, they need to be result oriented, they need to be mature, assertive, they need to be sensitive, they need to be open and tough minded. So these are the personality traits that normally a salespeople would need. Intelligence, good negotiators, decisiveness, understanding the people's feelings, and also be open, be sensitive to the customer needs, the culture needs, to the adjusting to the requirements by the customers. And they also need to be tough mindedness while they are dealing with the company's beneficials, because if they make a wrong decision, if they bend everything towards the customer, the company may go into the losses. So they still need to be tough minded, but they need to be polite and also the with the energy. So and also that they are these are the traits that every salespeople need. The qualifications that we discussed would depend on the job qualification, what they are needing, on the skills or the responsibilities. So the hotel may require the peoples to be graduate in either hospitality industry or in the marketing, or they may have to have certain kind of experience, maybe 2 year experience, 3 year experience if you are hiring them for a manager level. So it depends on the job, a specific job. We need to be clear on what are the skills or what are the qualifications that we need. While we are deciding the qualifications, we may need to be very clear on, and we also need to be aware of the skills or that are taught at those qualification. For example, you can check if they need to be from any specific university, if they need to be from a specific country, if they need to be having certain set of experiences in certain industries, so that you can make sure that they would have learned the skills. You don't have to you have to be as much clear as possible, because it will help when we are doing the selection process. Now, attracting a pool of applicants. So how do we do that? You need to continuously identify and locate and attract the salespeople. It's not a one-time process. It's not the process when you are only finding the people. The good sales managers and leaders are usually keep an eye on the at the talented peoples in their comset, in their in other industries, in the and also via trainings. You have sometimes on the job trainees, you have sometimes from the other departments, from the front office, from the housekeeping, from the F&B, who may have a potential for becoming a salesperson. So a good sales leader always keep an eye on the potential talents, so that whenever they need a salesperson, they can hire. Then you need to be candidates become the pool from which the new salespeople are chosen.